If you want more, you got to do more. We're going to discuss how you can use these 2 credit cards to purchase a car. Let's talk about it. So one of the best ways to take money off your credit card is with the cash advance strategy. I made up this strategy myself. You're not going to see it anywhere on the internet. It's a Level Up exclusive. All right. So I got a whole video about different ways to take money off your credit card with a cash advance strategy in the description below. But today I'm going to use a simple version with PenFed and Navy Federal. Let's get it. So you want to log into your PenFed account and your credit card, right? So now you want to go on to transfer money between your PenFed accounts. You click on this. You can choose which account, your savings account or your Visa account or whatever credit card you got with PenFed. Now, since my balance is 0, I'm able to take the whole 10 if I wanted to. But say I wanted to take off 9,000, and I could put it into my savings account. So boom, $9,000 into my savings account. But we don't want to do it as close to the billing date, right? We want to do this like a week or 2 before the billing date, due date, because we don't want a crazy balance, on a credit report, a 90% utilization. We don't want that. So we get the 9Gs, then we go immediately to our Navy Federal account, and we want to use our Visa Platinum. The reason being because we pay no balance transfer fee, so no 3% fee, no type of fee whatsoever. So we take the money off our PenFed credit card into our account, and then we use this credit card to transfer the balance onto that credit card and pay no fees whatsoever. So you go into account services, you go under credit cards management. So you go under credit card balance transfer, you click on that. And now we could choose what credit card we want to use. We want to use the Platinum, and then you could put in the creditor's name, address, city, state, zip code, account number, which is your credit card number, and the balance you want to put, which is $9,000. So you transfer that money right over. End of story. So once you transfer that money over, you go back to your PenFed, and now it's back to 0 and back to $10,000. And so now you got $9,000, and that balance is on your Navy Federal account. And if that's enough for you to buy a vehicle, that's enough for you to buy a vehicle. So if that's enough, you go to your nearest credit union. Not every credit union offer this service. Dutch Point Credit Union offer this. This is in my local area, but more than likely you could find one of these credit unions in your local area, and they offer a credit title loan. Now with this title loan, you're getting it from a real bank. So you could trust that you're getting a 2 to 4% interest rate. Now you're getting a low monthly payments. You paid off your credit card bill. You at 0 again. And now you could focus on making money. You could do these rideshare programs as far as Lyft, Uber Eats, make some money. It's some Uber people that made over 6 figures, by doing this. That's working really hard, their ass off, 80 hours a week. But it could be done. If you're a person that had no car, now all of a sudden you got a car. Now you just gave yourself ways to make more money, So you're making money. You could easily pay off your debt with that loan in 6 months. So this is a good way for you to jump on a deal if you see a deal by doing a cash advance strategy, shooting money into your PenFed account from your credit card, get that money via pick it up at the bank or send it to yourself via cashier's check. Now, if you got a paid off car, you could pretty much do the same thing with a title loan. If you need some money, boom, get some money in your pocket. You could go to your local credit union that offer the service. Not every credit union offer title loans. You don't want to mess with none of those crazy title loan places. So you're going to get money and put it in your pocket, and you can use that money to pay off high interest credit cards. If you got 18, 20-something% credit cards, you could use your car as collateral, get money. Say you could get $10,000, you have $5,000 worth of credit card bills. Boom, you get that money, you pay off your credit card. You say you set up your payments for 36 months or 24 months. Now you got an exit strategy for that too. So by the 36th month or the 24th month, you're done with credit card payments. Like you cleaned up your credit card bills, you no longer in debt. So once you do that, you don't want to ever get back in credit card debt. This strategy, you could buy a car, make money with the car, and also get out of bad debt with that car by being able to do a title loan, with a legitimate bank and have low interest rates, so you could turn bad debt into okay debt, and pay it off. Had an exit strategy within 36 months, 24 months, or whatever terms you end up doing. So this is a great way to purchase a car, make some money, and get out of debt. So if you learned something today, give me one of these, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and talk to you on the next one, all right? Level Up Finance.